I'm going to show you how to solve this differential equation by separating the variables. So before I can separate the variables, I will have to split this up. I know that a to the power of m minus n can be rewritten as a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So I'm going to use this on this term. So I have y squared over e to the power of x. So now I'm going to separate the variables. I'm going to put all the y on the left. So I see a y here and a y here and and a y here. So this will make a y squared dy on the left. I'm going to put all the x on the right. So I see x here, x terms here, and x term here. Put them all on the right. So x remain. Ex multiply across, dx and across. So I am going to integrate both sides. To integrate the left hand side, you can use substitution. You can let u be y squared. So du dy is 2y. So I can see that 2y dy equals to du, and that makes half du equals to y dy. So y dy can be substituted with half du. Y squared can be substituted by u. So y dy can be substituted by half du. Y squared can be substituted by u. So to integrate this side, half is a constant. And integrate eu, I get back eu. So now I want to integrate the right hand side. I'm going to do so by parts. So going by LIATE, I can see that I have A, which is the category of algebra, and I have E, which is the category of exponential function. So it means that I should choose x to be differentiated and exponential x to be integrated. So choose x to be differentiated and ex to be integrated. Differentiate x, I get 1. Integrate x, I get back itself. So to do integration by parts is to take this times this minus the integral of this times this. So I'm going to take x times ex minus the integration of 1 times ex. So I can integrate ex, I get back itself, and I have a plus c. Now we're not done because we use substitution for u and we need to now sub back y squared. So I have half y squared on this side, and on the right hand side I can see ex is a common factor. I can actually take out the common factor. I'm going to continue to simplify by removing this half, so I'm going to multiply by 2. And I can even go further by removing this exponential function so that I'll just have a y squared. To do that, I will have to ln both sides. So if I ln the left hand side, the e will be offset. So I'll just have y squared. And now I ln the right hand side. So I'll say that both of this general solution can be accepted as the answer.